This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Ford Focus. This happens to be a 2007 model. And what we're doing today is we are replacing the door handles. Now on the door handle, if it has no tension on it and the door won't open, don't presume it's just the door handle, because most of the time it's the mechanism behind it called the reinforcement. So you want to take off the inner door panel before you get any parts. So we're going to do that now. First thing we need to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now after we do that, we want to pop this little piece off right here. And remove our electrical connector. Next thing we need to do is pop this little cover off. There we go. Now underneath there will be a T20. A little short one right there. Now once we got that out of there, sometimes you can just pop that now. Let me get a close-up of these connectors you have to remove. Now this one right here, you just push down on this piece right here and it'll come right out. Now on these, there's a little lock right here. Right there. And we got one right there. Alright, we got them. Now the door panel is held on by T20 screws right here on the side. 1, 2. And then there are 2 underneath. And then over here on the left side, there are 3. So we need to remove those now. Next thing we need to do is to pop this cover off. And underneath there, you will see 2 there are 2 7mm headed screws. So we need to remove those now. Okay, let's pop that inner handle off. There we go. This little sound deadening piece right here, just twist it. It'll come right off. All right, let's peel back this weather barrier. Next thing we got to do is get our wrench into this hole right here, T20. There is a T20 screw in here. It holds the part of the outer door handle on. Okay, now we want to pry this piece up. Okay, got it. Okay, let's slide it back and out. All right, good. There's the handle. Next, we want to take a T20. Okay, so we're going to remove that. Next, we need to remove these 3 T30 screws to hold the latch mechanism in. Here is the connection on the latch, the electrical connection, and you just pry up this little piece right here, and it'll come off. Yikes. Boy, that's tight. Okay. Okay, now this is where they like to break, right here. You can see this one is okay, spring's okay. Now that we're this far, we want to transfer the existing lock cylinder over to the new reinforcement. Now there is a little retainer right here, and I'm going to push it this way. And I'll push this piece right here in the center with my finger. Okay, I think I moved it enough. There we go. And there's the lock cylinder. So now you want to bring your new reinforcement in, line it up, and then you have to line this back up, and it locked into place. And just to make sure, give it a little tug. Okay, great. So that's all transferred. Now let's put it back together here. Alright, we gotta hook this piece back into position. Like so. And snap this back like that. Okay. There it is. So now all we have to do is put it back in. Now when you take the piece apart, this will fall out. So you need to put that back in so that screw can, it only goes in one way. It's rounded and flat. So you have to engage that into the reinforcement. Let's go down like this. Now let's get the T30s in. Alright, let's put our handle back into position. Then this piece right here. Alright, let's get that screw back in place. Okay. Now we can tighten up this back screw. Now to help get the panel back on, you want to leave this loose. It'll give you some extra room. It slides in a lot easier. There we go. So from here it's just a matter of securing the bolts down the side, power window motor controls, and that's it. So that's all there is to replacing a door handle on your Ford Focus.